Mastering vocabulary and word choice for GMAT writing. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into an essential component of the GMAT analytical writing assessment: vocabulary and word choice. If you've ever pondered over which word to use or wondered how to avoid sounding repetitive, then this video is for you. Words are the building blocks of our language. But it's not just about knowing a lot of words. It's about choosing the right word at the right time. A well-chosen vocabulary can make your essay stand out, while poor word choices can make it sound awkward or unclear. Tips: don't use a complex word just because it sounds sophisticated. If you're not sure about its meaning or usage, stick to what you know. Avoid jargon or overly technical language unless necessary. Being precise in your word choice can make a difference in how clearly you convey your ideas. For example, instead of saying, "The manager was mad," you could say, "The manager was frustrated," or "The manager was infuriated." Each choice paints a slightly different picture. Practice. Try replacing generic verbs with more precise ones. Instead of, "She went to the store," how about, "She dashed to the store," or "She strolled to the store." Repeating the same words can make your writing sound monotonous. Here's how to keep it fresh. 1. Synonyms. Familiarize yourself with synonyms of commonly used words. 2. Varied sentence structure. Mix up your sentence lengths and patterns to avoid sounding repetitive. 3. Read aloud. Sometimes, hearing your words can help you catch repetitive phrases. Sometimes a word might seem perfect, but it doesn't fit the tone or context of your essay. For instance, using slang might not be appropriate for a formal essay. Always consider the context and adjust your vocabulary accordingly. Note: while it's good to expand your vocabulary, don't force words into your essay. It should still sound natural and genuine. Mastering vocabulary and word choice is both an art and a science. The more you practice, the better you'll get at picking the perfect words to express your thoughts. We hope this video sheds some light on how to enhance your GMAT essays with superior word choices. Keep writing, keep practicing, and, most importantly, keep learning.